Eddie Redmayne has become popular at a very young age and has definitely inspired us all. He gained international success and fame when he starred in the Fantastic Beasts franchise. Eddie has an impressive net worth of $6 million. But do you know where he spends all his money? What expensive luxuries does he own? Let's find out all the details. Eddie Redmayne boasts a wardrobe full of expensive clothes. He is #1 on the list of the most well-dressed men in the UK. The actor always looks charming at red carpet events and has been spotted many times wearing some of the most expensive, unique designer clothes. But that's not it. There are many more luxuries that the actor owns, and we're about to get into them next. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of the Fantastic Beasts star Eddie Redmayne. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Eddie has won an Academy Award for Best Actor. Today, he's one of the biggest rising stars of Hollywood, making a name for himself on the big screen with more and more interesting roles. He's now reached fame and high status in the film industry. He used to be a model for Burberry before becoming a full-time actor, and when he appeared in Vanity Fair in 2012 and 2015, he was GQ's best-dressed British man. One source of his income comes from endorsements. Since the end of 2017, he's been the new face of Omega, the Swiss luxury watchmaker, and their Aqua Terra campaign for men. The watches he's promoting include Globemaster Coaxo Master Chronometer. Omega president and CEO Stefan Urquhart described Redmayne as a perfect fit for the brand. He's a great actor, very forward-looking, and the films he makes are quite modern and bold. At Omega, that's what we're trying to achieve: modern and bold. The star owns 2 cars, one of them being an Audi. According to sources, Eddie is down to earth and does not like to boast about his wealth. He spends a lot on charity and social work, and he is also an ambassador for various charities. His other spendings include going on lavish vacations. He always takes off work to go on luxurious vacations with his wife or a hike in the mountains of Europe, visiting his parents and skiing during the winters. So, does Eddie own any mansions or homes? Well, that's next on our list, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Eddie's rising success has been quite evident, and this has encouraged him to spend on a luxurious home. Eddie and his family found themselves a good place in London, and he also owns a French Riviera holiday home worth an estimated $2 million. Eddie spends most of his weekends at this 6-bedroom luxurious property. The stunning French Riviera boasts its own swimming pool and tennis court. While the wealthy family is not in the property over the summer months, those lucky enough can stay at the home for around 7,800 euros per week. The property is surrounded by forests, making it a perfect retreat for those wanting to relax and enjoy their privacy. Here's a wonderful initiative in case you needed any more reasons to love Oscar-winning Eddie Redmayne. The British star has revealed he occasionally pays the rent for struggling actors, calling London an extremely expensive place to live. Redmayne spoke to British GQ for the February cover story and revealed that he's gotten into the habit of paying the rent of struggling actors. "I get letters from people trying to go to drama school and needing to pay their rent, and so that's something I occasionally do. It's impossibly expensive to live in London," Eddie said. Eddie Redmayne has a busy schedule, and he is also a hard-working actor. He has already achieved what many of his age could not. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the millionaire lifestyle of the Fantastic Beasts star Eddie Redmayne? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.